Good morning and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a try to get ready with me for the month of November. I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyes today. I'm going to take my E.L.F. Chocolate Mint palette. I'm just going to do a very simple look. I'm just going to start in with this shade right here and do a transition shade. Overall, the month has been life-changing. We had the baby. He is doing great. He's doing good. We're just kind of in transition. I took a couple of weeks off of filming in order to just, as we kind of transition and just kind of figure out this new dynamic, which we're still doing, but I'm trying to slowly get back into my routine and figure out what that routine looks like. I'm going to go ahead and take this shade here and put it all over my lids. But yeah, we're just trying to figure out what the routine looks like and just trying to get into our groove. We've got the holidays coming up so soon after he was born, so we're just, holidays are going to look a little bit different this year. Just trying again to figure out our dynamic. Definitely a lot more play down than in years past. We're excited. We're looking forward to it. We actually managed to get most of our Christmas shopping done before he arrived, the weekend before he came. My husband and I got a little date night where we got all of our last minute stuff and got our Christmas shopping done. The Christmas shopping part was not part of the plans. We were just going to try and wing it, but we ended up coming up with some ideas and just ended up doing it that day, so that put a lot of pressure off of us during this time. So that was good. Baby boy did come early. I'm going to go ahead and go into foundation, but first I'm going to spray my beauty blender with my Manna Kadar face mist. And then I'm going to go into the one product I actually bought this month, which is the Dior, the Dior Backstage foundation. Sephora was having some kind of deal going on. But anyway, so yeah, we're going to go ahead and just do an impromptu kind of Christmas and try and do the best we could, but we managed to get it done, which was nice, and we got to just make a day out of it. We ended up going out to Texas Roadhouse for dinner, and it was just one of those like last little date nights. Yeah, baby boy, he didn't come early by any means, but he came a week earlier than we thought. We thought, okay, like the end of the 39-week mark into like the first couple of days of the 40-week mark, and he ended up coming at 39 weeks and 1 day. However, when I did take the pregnancy test, we actually thought that our due date was the week that he came, and so we may think that maybe just either he just came early or he conceived early and something was messed up with some of the tests. Even the doctors were saying, that he was, well, it was because the doctor said that he was due the following week that we went ahead and just let that be our due date. But I guess he came, I don't know, my guess is he probably did come on his due date. There was just something wrong with the measurements, or something was off, because I measured small my whole pregnancy. Not small, but on the small side. So we're like, okay, he'll come a little bit later this time. But he did come a week earlier than what we thought. Next I'm going to go into my E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm like just about done with this. I'm just trying to finish this up. Trying to finish it up before I do my Project Pan update, which I'll probably do a day or two after this. I'm literally going to be done like any day now. But I want to get every last drop. I want to get my money's worth out of my products, so that's what I am doing. But anyway, so as far as like the pregnancy stuff and updates go, I filmed my last pregnancy update at 38 weeks. I was going to film a 39-week one the following day after my OB appointment that day, but he decided to come the night before, and that's perfectly fine. We are perfectly excited. I did actually film a lot of videos. I pre-filmed more videos than I had planned. I was just kind of going to do some filming as I went and just figured I'd get back into it within a couple weeks or so when I get to it. Planning on taking, most of December to just kind of relax and adjust. But I got in a filming frenzy. I had a lot of stuff I wanted to film in that time frame, so for like the next month or so, you'll probably see a lot of videos of me still being pregnant. So yeah, a lot of those videos of me still being pregnant, you'll see a couple of videos where I'm actually having contractions because I was trying to film videos the day of. I'll get into my labor and delivery story. That has not been filmed yet, but I do plan on filming that soon. Again, just trying to adjust. I'm going to go ahead and go into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Whiskey, put that on my waterline, and then I'm just going to go ahead and buff. I think I'm going to go ahead and buff some of the darker shade underneath my lower lash line real quick. So yeah, I do plan on getting that filmed. I filmed a pre-pregnancy clothes try-on challenge video, which should be coming up here soon. What else did I film beforehand? I filmed a newborn clothing haul review. I got in a filming frenzy, and I actually, when I added it up, I had all the videos I needed for the month of December. I didn't film a whole lot of Christmas content, but I do plan on, as things go on, I'll probably sprinkle a few of those videos in, just kind of as we go, as we're doing okay. At this point, I do plan on staying with my usual filming schedule of Tuesdays and Fridays. I'm just going to go ahead and pop some of that mint shade in the inner corner here. So that's just kind of where we are at. I'm going to go ahead and use my Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I'll probably just do that off camera real quick. Alright, for bronzer, I'm just going to go in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer. I picked up this palette last holiday season. It was a good deal, so I'm just going to go in with that. Just pop it on all over the cheeks. As far as my makeup routine goes after having a new baby, of course we're adjusting, so I'm sure it'll change temporarily, then go back. I don't think I'll give up my makeup routine. I'll just use products that are a little bit easier to work with, but I love doing my makeup. This is my self-care thing. This is what I like to do, and especially if the baby's being good and the kids are being good, I definitely don't want to not do my makeup routine. For blush, I'm going to go ahead and go into my Cover FX Monochromatic Blush Duo in the shade Spiced Cinnamon. I figured it's Christmassy. I love to go into a little, got some green on the eyes, pop a red. I'm going to just go into the shimmery side here and just add a little bit. You don't need a lot. This shade is definitely deep for me, but I do like it. I'm just kind of getting fun. It's the holiday season. It's time to get a little bit festive. However, I cannot stand doing Christmas before Thanksgiving. Like, we did not even put up our Christmas decorations till like the week of Thanksgiving, actually like the day after. So I'm one of those people who I'm like, no holiday hopping, can't skip Thanksgiving. So that's just, you gotta get through the one holiday before you get to the next one, you know what I mean? Finally, I'm gonna go in with my Colourpop Flexitarian Highlight. This is my Project Pan one, so I'm just gonna pop that on the cheeks, just a little bit of glow. I'm gonna skip lips today because, well, I just not wearing new lips. I'm not wearing any lipstick with baby aside from the lip balm I have on. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. And that's the look. Not a very long get ready with me, just kind of something short and sweet. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle. And I will see you in the next one. God bless and bye, guys.